Hello guys, welcome to Posido Mobile Software. Today I want to show you how to bypass the infinix x626. First of all, you remove the SIM tray, insert the SIM card, make sure the SIM card is on lock, on a pin lock. Just follow the due process. You pin out the SIM tray and press the power button at the same time, and this command prompt pops up. You follow the steps, go to just follow the steps just like I did in the video. If you get this step correctly, then you can bypass this phone as easy as possible. I think I'm a little bit fast, but you just have to calm down and concentrate and see how you do it better. You download the necessary apps. Shout out to my nigga Abastos, my great mentor. I'm using his website. I download files from his website. Yeah, download and install the Google account manager, and you also install the FRP bypass. After installation is done, you open it. You open the FRP bypass. Open. Browser sign in. Go to browser sign in just like I did. Here you can put in the email. The email you want to put, any working email is okay. Once you input any working email, you send in, you put in your password as usual. We are not trying to log into this phone. Yeah, it's requesting the password. Sorry, I can show you my password. Oh, sorry. Pardon me, guys. I even did a mistake on the email, but just log in the email. That is how it works. You just need to log in the email. There's no any other step. Once you log in the email, put in your password, then you click sign in, then it signs you in. I had to jump that step, sorry. You see, I already added another email. From the start, where you put in your email and password, once you just put in your email and password and you click sign in, then you reboot the phone, then you follow this process that is ongoing now. This due process that is ongoing now. Follow it and you are done. If you get this correct, please like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's my pleasure to put all this new update to you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching. And we are done unlocking this one from the cloud. That's all. Now I'm trying to remove my email. The email I input in my on the phone, I've removed it. Email is removed. We are done.